Inside America's most expensive criminal trials, when a criminal case goes to trial in the United States, the price tag can climb into the tens, sometimes hundreds, of millions of dollars. These aren't just courtroom dramas, they're massive legal operations. In some of America's most expensive criminal trials, the cost comes from years of investigation, federal agents, forensic accountants, expert witnesses, digital analysts, all working thousands of hours before a jury ever steps into the courtroom. 1. Major terrorism-related trial required heightened security, anonymous juries, and round-the-clock protection. Courtrooms were modified, entire city blocks were secured. The cost wasn't just legal, it was logistical. In large corporate fraud cases, prosecutors sift through millions of documents, emails, and financial records. Defense teams respond with their own experts, forensic specialists, and private investigators. Legal teams can grow to dozens of attorneys on each side. Every motion filed, every expert testimony, every delay adds to the total. Then there are celebrity or high-profile trials. Media presence alone increases costs of security, jury management, extended court time. When public attention rises, so does the complexity. But the real expense often comes from time. Some criminal trials last months, others stretch across years. Court staff, judges, jurors, security personnel, all funded by taxpayers. In federal cases, the government absorbs enormous investigative and prosecution costs long before a verdict is reached, and defense costs in white-collar and high-profile cases. They can reach tens of millions of dollars. Funded privately or through public defense resources. The shocking reality is this: justice at this level isn't just about guilt or innocence. It's about evidence, strategy, expert testimony, and the enormous machinery required to prove a case beyond a reasonable doubt. Inside America's most expensive criminal trials, the courtroom becomes a battlefield of resources, because in the justice system, the truth isn't just argued, it's built piece by piece at a very high cost. Follow for more deep dives into the real stories behind America's biggest cases.